Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 2nd. This is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So on gold, this definitely stretched out beyond the point of an ABC. I was saying before that this is likely an ABC, maybe an ABC of X, but I think that we definitely went beyond that point, and now we are for sure in a 1, 2, 3. Why is that important? It's important because when we finally do get the end of a trend, as in a break of structure, it's only going to be the end of a wave 3, which means there will probably be a very corrective wave 4, and then another push up for a wave 5, instead of it being a complete trend reversal. If it was a wave C, it would be a complete trend reversal. Another thing is I think we're likely in an expanding flat on the 4-hour daily time frame if we zoom out. The target I would have for an expanding flat is actually the 123 Fibonacci extension of wave A, which puts us all the way up to about 3,590 area, and maybe even a little bit higher. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, our new structure level is right here. If it breaks below here, you could start looking for shorts at that point. If it doesn't break below there, then anything you see to the downside is probably likely still just a pullback within the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.